Tonight, we're camping cold by the river. In the middle of a snowstorm. Now it seems pretty peaceful, but turns out we weren't alone.
I think someone lost their dog. Oh. How far's the walk?
5K.
5K. Let's go.
This is where we parked, just kind of on the outskirts of the city, by a new neighborhood, and it's kind of crazy how close these guys get to our highways and our neighborhoods. You can see the houses right in the back there. A lot of people park here in the summertime and ride their bikes or go for a run down this path. Safe to say, we were the only people out here.
I think someone lost their dog.
Not sure if this is the same guy from earlier, but he was watching us. Maybe even following us.
We're not down. Oh, sweet.
Oh, yeah, I know. I watched it. See the ice flowing. It's gonna be below freezing tonight. So that's exciting.
It was cold out there, and honestly, falling asleep wasn't easy for us. But you don't have to worry about any of that. Just kick back, relax, and maybe even fall asleep to this one.
Oh, oh.
Oh, grab some food too.
Bro, if the ground wasn't frozen, that would low-key be a good camp spot.
We might have to come back here. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Just listen to that snow hitting the ground.
Right at the trail ends. We gotta make our own path. In the middle of the bushes, trying to make it down to the river bank, because the path disappeared. This is just like straight bushes. And with all this stuff, that's not good.
We made it!
Found the spot. Right on. Okay. Not sure. Man.
This spot might be better. It's pretty flat.
Probably be more comfortable, actually. Whatever, we needed that wood for fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go over here. This was the spot we were thinking originally, but there's houses. And it'll be a lot more comfortable, less windy. So we're gonna get our tent set up. And then get the fire going.
I'm curious. Have you guys camped in the snow before? Drop a comment. Where are you guys from? Look at all the snow. It was really coming down. This birch bark is just like paper. It's definitely gonna get the fire started.
Try this.
Hard to all cold.
Gathering rocks to build the fire pit, but they're frozen into the ground. So I got one rock loose, and I'm using it to smash the other one's free. This one's split open. It looks pretty cool inside.
So the fire looks like it's burning good at this point, but we could not keep that thing going. It took a really long time to get it to the point where it stayed warm and hot. And the sun did not wait for us. It got dark really fast. And dark means cold. I don't know how the drone was flying. There was so much snow and it was getting so wet. But yeah, it just kept flying. You can kind of see how close we are to the river. Flying the drone up, we noticed this on the map as well. The city was doing some sort of construction. We actually went and checked it out. They were drilling holes and building a new sewer runoff that goes to the river. It's pretty cool. You can see the neighborhoods and the houses across the river. And the bridge we had to walk under. So we parked over that way. The shot, you can just tell how cold it is. The snow reflecting all the light up, so it's kind of bright out. And of course, our fire was
It's almost out.
almost out, which is not good. Holy smoky.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Got smoke in your eye?
Yeah, something about that smoke specifically is like
Yeah. Yeah.
weird.
I got it in my nose and it was just like burning. Like I could feel it
Yeah,
in my throat.
that's weird.
Huh. 'Cause that's not just me.
No.
Is there something weird about this tree that the trees were burning?
Oh wow. This fire looks really good.
Yeah.
Dinner time, dinner time. Alright, we got the peasant bread for our grilled
Can
cheese.
someone tell me what peasant bread is? We saw it at the store and we had to get it. Tasted just
Butter chicken.
like normal bread though.
Chicken noodle. Oh my god.
Can you hurry up?
Slow going. French style.
Is shitting yourself in the middle of the night in your tent out here like a nightmare situation?
Huh?
I don't think it could get much worse than that. You'd have to wipe it in the snow or something.
Dude. That is fucking great.
Oh, fuck off. You fucker. You dickhead. There's still a little bit left.
Oh man. Oh, full screen it. We're full screening it. Oh my god, we're still going.
Dip that in the soup.
It's a howler.
This picture was taken on my iPhone. It's really impressive the detail you can get with just something in your pocket.
the other side.
And yeah, here's when the dogs started going crazy. And they didn't really stop all night. Pie and some tea was a good way to calm down. I scooped this water from the river and boiled it to get rid of any bacteria. It was super, super clean. No mud. So it's just killing that bacteria that's important.
Look at the ice crystals on the tent.
I didn't talk much about my setup, but I've got my sleeping pad underneath me, an extra sleeping bag. It's just like a Walmart or Canadian Tire version. And then the sleeping bag I'm actually sleeping in is rated till -0. So I actually was a bit cold this night. I look pretty cozy though. Good night.
Good morning.
I got up early and sat by the fire.
There's just no avoiding that, especially in the winter.
No breakfast this morning. We both honestly just wanted to pack up and get out of here as fast as we could. Everything was soaked, covered in ice. So we packed up pretty quickly. Tried to dry off what we could.
We saw this walking up and we couldn't tell what it was. It looked like, look, it's like the craziest stump ever. It's definitely like, look how much it looks like a person. And the detail. It's really cool that someone set that up.
Underneath the bridge, we found this old skateboard.
I'm not camping anymore. I'm gonna be a skateboarder now. Welcome back to Forest Skates.
For the grip tape melting off and it being wet and cold and wearing boots, that was pretty good.
Forest was here. See you.